Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best transmission additive. Here are the top 3 transmission additives that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Hot Shot's Secret Shift Restore Automatic. It is a revolutionary new product that can be used in automatic transmission fluid to restore lost power, improve shift quality and reduce wear. It also helps maintain proper gear balance on manual transmissions. Its secret ingredient is Z, which has been proven to increase torque by up to 12% and reduce engine RPM by up to 10% for improved fuel efficiency. This additive is 100% safe and will not void your warranty or affect the life of your transmission. This additive is not a cure-all, but it does work well on most cars. At number 2. Lucas Transmission Fix 24 ounces, brown. It is a synthetic transmission fluid designed to keep your car running at its peak performance. This product contains special additives that help prevent sludge, corrosion and wear on the inside of the transmission. The lubricating agents in this product also make it much easier for your engine to start up when cold. Its one bottle will last you approximately 6 months if you use 1 quart per month. Its ingredients are natural, so it won't harm your car or the environment when you're done using it. At number 1. Prolong Super Lubricants Transmission Treatment 8 ounces. It reduces wear and tear on the transmission's moving parts. It improves response time for shifting gears by up to 15%. It prevents corrosion of metal surfaces, which can lead to expensive repairs. It increases fuel economy by up to 5%. It prevents transmission fluid from boiling over or becoming too thick. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.